back to the channel. So let's go over a quick tutorial on a great movement that one of the baddest musicians did in a song called Amazing Grace. If you haven't seen Cory Henry's rendition of this, it'll be in the description, but let's break it down and see what he's doing. So he's in the key of C major. C is the 1, D is the 2, E is the 3, the 4 is F, the 5 is G, the 6 is A, the 7 is B, back to the 1, which is C. So what he's doing this movement over the 2. So he, instead of going to the minor chord that you expect to go to a D minor, right? He went to a D7 chord, right? So D major 7 sus 2. So let's break that down. He's going from the 6 to 2. He's gonna turn the song back around. If you can see in the video, he goes right. He goes. Okay, let's break that down. So what he's doing, he's trilling up. So it's D, E flat, E, A, and he walks back down. So all together, that's D, E flat, E to the A. When you get to the A, you can go and you can walk back down. Walk down from the E flat, D, C. So all together, that's, got it? And then this one go to the D7 in the left hand. So that's D and C. And when you go there, you're going to trill up to the E. See that? So D, E flat, E. So the whole part goes. Sorry, again it goes. Got me? Then he comes down here, turn to a full D7. His go G flat and A in the right hand. It's all over that D and C still. So that first part goes. Then he does this great movement right here. So nice. So nice. So what he's really doing there is a bunch of diminished chords, but he's doing drop 2 inversions. So instead of doing the A flat diminished, so look, A flat, B and D, take the B out, put it in the left hand, and invert it. So that's really what he's doing. And he's going up in half steps. So the first one is B, D, and A flat in the right hand. Then you go, left hand goes to the C, right hand goes to the E flat and the A. So then he goes to this right here. So the right hand goes to F and B, left hand goes to a D. So if you're really looking at what he's doing, he's going A flat diminished, A diminished, B diminished, but he's doing just this and he's dropping these, then he's inverting it. He's playing that tritone over the D. It gives you that. You see the note said D minor 7. Technically, yes, it is, but that's not the concept he's doing, because he's really moving in like a C half whole scale. So, and we'll go over that in another video, but that's what he's doing. So here, B, A flat, B, D, A flat. Go up a half step, C, E flat, A. Go up a whole step, left hand is D, right hand is F and B. Then he goes, then you're gonna just hit the D, and then he go to a G flat 7 with a flat 5. So it's G flat, E, A, C. So all together is, right? But what I think he's doing is he's holding that 2 the entire time. What do I mean by that? Here it go. You see how I'm doing? I'm keeping that D the entire time. So it's, and then he goes. So now he's on a 5 and he's doing a G7 chord. So D, E, G, G. Then you go to left hand is G and F, then hit the B and turn it to a G7. So that whole part goes. Then he does this dope thing. in what he's doing, he's moving in. You can call it a third or a tenth. Either one is the same thing. You can think of it in tenths. So. There goes. So right hand goes B. Left. Right hand's gonna go C. C sharp. D. So it's in that rhythm. Ba da da da. Ba da 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 da. Ba da. So it's B, C, C sharp, D, E flat, E, F, C sharp, D. So he walks back down. F, E, E flat, C sharp, D. So ba da 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 ba da. So you might take a little time to get that syncopation down, but once you get it, it's ba da da ba da 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 ba da. You got me? And the left hand's gonna do the same thing. We start from the B. Ba da da da. So we go here. So start from the D, sorry, in the left hand. So it's D, E flat, E, F. So then go to the F sharp. F sharp, G, A flat, G, A flat, F sharp, A flat, G, F sharp. So and then goes left hand goes E, F, right hand goes C sharp, D. Right? So all together is one more time. So what you want to do though is hold that G and do it. So the whole part goes. Right? Now I teach you to turn around in another one. Right? I'll teach you that in another video. But that's the entire movement he does. So let's play it one more time. And if it's your first time here, don't forget, guys, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and we'll be back with some all new tutorials. But this is the Cory Henry move that he does in Amazing Grace from a 2 to 5. Here we go. That's the entire song. All right, I'm out of here, fellas.